The Solax Charge is a portable, automatic folding mobility scooter. It has a digital display with USB charging for your phone or tablets when you're on the go. It also comes with an LED headlight which can be activated from the dashboard, powered by a plain safe lithium battery. Other features include adjustable suspension, puncture-proof tyres and rear anti-tip wheels for added comfort. The tiller height and angle can easily be adjusted to suit your personal preference. Flip-up armrests allow you to get in and out of the seat with ease. You can enter freewheel mode, which allows you to move your scooter manually. At the press of a button on the remote control, the Solax Charge will begin to fold itself into a suitcase-sized package for easy transportation. Contact us for more information.